Okay, and the third process, it is the manual LCD laminating machine for you to paste the OCA film or polarizer film on this on the LCD or glass, both okay. So first, you will have to connect the power line for the vacuum pump to this power strip, and then here it is the hose to connect with this machine. Connect it with the vacuum pump. And this vacuum pump, it is together with one pedal, so that you can use the feet to control the button for the vacuum pump. Make it more easier for you. And here, this is the LCD and the new glass. Okay. And here, the new OCA and the polarizer film. And usually for the polarizer film, it has direction. Only one side has a sticker on it, so you have to recognize that which one is the upside. Usually the one with deep cover, that is the side that face up, and the other side it does not have glue on it. You can have a try. This, okay. And first we have to make sure that the LCD is clean enough.
看不到这边。
嗯。
也看不到，头挡住了。
Use the razor blade to clean the polarizer film together with the glue. Okay, but make sure that your blade does not damage the LCD. And then clean it. And while you do this separation, make sure that the blade does not touch with the flex cable, or it will damage your cable. Okay, next we will show you how to paste the polarizer film on the LCD. Put it here after you to clean. Put it here. And you can see that here there are two measurements for this machine. This one it is help you to adjust from left to right, and this one it is adjust this plate from up to down. So you can adjust it by yourself. And according to the position. Here it has two screws here, which you can move by yourself. If you think that the distance is too long, you can adjust this here and move the calibrator from this side to that side. So first, and make sure that the rest of the holes need to be covered. Otherwise, the vacuum pump won't be powerful enough for you to stick the polarizer film or the OCA film. And see here, the edge for the polarizer film it is in the middle of the roller, and then you can see it through here. Okay, that means it is working now. Like this. After you do alignment for the polarizer film together with the LCD, you can use this peel sticker to peel off the protector film. Okay. See, there is no bubbles. Okay. So in this process, it is most important for the whole refurbishment. You have to make sure that after you place the polarizer film on it, there is no bubbles left. Otherwise, it will be very hard for you to remove by the autoclave bubble remover. So, and then paste the OCA film on the polarizer film. Because you have made alignment already, so for this one, just put it here. Fine. So there is no bubbles again. And while you do this process, you have to make sure that your sound thumb is here, and use a little strength through your thumb so it will go to the roller and then pull it out. So the roller will make the polarizer film very flatly if your strength is through the finger. And here, the left 4 fingers you have to lift up a little, and then this one it is pressed down. So the roller will have strength while you pull it out. Okay, so that is maybe a trick for this process. And after we do that, we will use the mold to do alignment.
这要对着摄像头说了吧？
To do alignment， 没反吗？是这样吗？
反了。
No no no. Okay. Put it in the mold, and use a U glass, and make sure that there is no dust. Okay.
拿起来。
While you do this process, make sure that you do not press it. If you press the glass on the LCD, there may be dead bubbles, which cannot be removed by the bubble removal machine. So just put it on the LCD and then use your fingers to pull it out like this, and then put it on the OCA vacuum laminator.
好，关了啊。
关着。